In question 2, we have 3 different students want to grow bean plants in different soil. So based on table 2, we have 3 different soil. We label as population 1, population 2, and population 3. So in this question, we want to compare between 3 population. Let's say if we want to compare only 2 population, we can use the previous formula. Okay, to compare the 3 population or above, we use the analysis of variance. Short form is ANOVA. The ANOVA is used to investigate the mean of sample data, whether they are equal or not. So first question, construct a complete analysis of ANOVA table. Page 91, refer to ebook. Okay, this one is ANOVA summary table. All the parameters must be included in the answer. First, we just copy paste the data, construct the new table. Okay, this is the group 1, group 2, and group 3. First step, calculate the total of height of bean plant. 24 plus 21 plus 23 plus 30 plus 23. So the answer is 1 to 1. Apply the same with the group 2 and group 3. Next, state the number of bean plants or number of sample within the group. For group 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Group 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Group 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, next, calculate the average. Total divide by number of bean plants. So we get 24.20. Apply the same formula for group 2 and group 3. Next step, we calculate the variance. This is the formula. Okay, tengok, first data is 24. Okay, 24 minus average 24.20 square plus 21 minus 24.20 square plus all the data until the last data, 23 minus 24.20 square. And then divide by 5 minus 1. 5. N is number of sample within the group. 5 minus 1. So the answer is 11.70. Apply the same formula for group 2 and group 3. The next step, we calculate the overall mean. So plus all the data from 24 plus 25 plus 23 until 20, we get 242, and then divide by number of sample is 14. 5 plus 4 plus 5 is 14. So the answer is 24.43. Okay, next we calculate the total sum of square SST. Refer to page 81 or 82 for the formula. Okay. For the first data, 24 minus with overall mean 24.43. This is the overall mean that we get just now. Okay, bracket and square plus the second data, 25 minus 24.43 squared plus 23 minus 24.43 squared plus all the data until 20 minus 24.43 squared. And the answer is 177.43. So 177.43 is the SST. Next step, calculate the sum of square due to treatments between different soil or between different groups, denoted as SS treatment. So this is the formula. N is for number of sample in the group. For example, 5, this one for group 1 is 5 times 24.20 is the average within the group, minus 24.43, which is the overall mean, squared, plus 4, number of sample from group 2, times 24.75 is mean or average from group 2, minus 24.43 square, plus 5, number of sample from group 3, times 24.40, average of group 3, minus 24.43 is the mean, overall mean, squared, and the answer is 0.7. 0.7 is sum of square treatment. The next step, we calculate the sum of square due to error, which is within the same soil, within the same group, denoted as SSE. For sum of square error, we have two formula. Guna je mana-mana, we can get the same answer. Okay, for first formula, sum of square, total sum of square, yang kita dah kira tadi memula, kita dapat 177.43 equal to sum of square treatment. This is sum of square treatment 0.7 plus sum of square error. This one kita nak cari. So just rearrange the formula. Ini bawa ke kiri akan jadi minus. So 177.43 minus 0.7, we get 176.73. Or we can try another formula. Formula satu lagi ni kita guna variance. Ini kita guna variance. Number of sample from group 1 minus 1 times variance. Number of sample 5 minus 1 times 11.70. Plus 4 minus 1 times 21.58. Plus 5 minus 1 times 16.30. So the answer is 176.74. Jawapan dia lebih kurang. Okay, the next step, we calculate the mean square treatment. MS treatment. Formula is sum square treatment. Kita dah dapat tadi sum square treatment 0.7. Divide by K minus 1. K is number of group. Kita ada 3 group. 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So divide dapat 0.35. Last step, calculate the mean square error, MSE, equal to sum of square error. Kita dah dapat sum of square error, which is this one, we guna 176.73. Divide by number of sample minus K. Number of sample is overall sample is 14. 5 plus 4 plus 5 is 14. Minus K, K is 3, so 11. Divide, we get 16.07. Basically, untuk construct ANOVA table, kena careful untuk calculation, first calculation yang awal-awal ni sebab dia akan drag untuk final answer kita kat sini. So, kalau first step dah salah, dia akan salah semua jawapan.